Go.
Hey, PNC reps. This is Maggie Waples, and I'm looking forward to showing you how you can do
what
a
did the
10-minute demonstration of my education.
Another pump.
Oh,
Pretty good right now. What is this, Liz?
Is it television?
Oh my
Are we on
God.
television?
We on television?
Is it Good Morning America?
No, maybe it's the Today Show. Where's that Matt Lauer?
Oh, he
so
is
cute.
like butter, Matt
I tumble
Lauer.
for him.
Yes.
What is this?
Yes, this is in fact the Today Show.
Oh, can I say happy
Hello,
birthday?
America.
Belated birthday to my daughter Robin. Hi, Robin.
Happy birthday, Bubba.
Hello.
I'm Maggie Waples, and I'm taking Ann
Oh,
Curry's
Maggie.
place.
She's a very
Isn't
nice
she?
name.
She's
She's so
darling.
cute.
You know who
she's
you remind
not.
me of?
Yeah, that's right.
You're like a young Barbara Streisand.
She
It's
is.
true.
You're
Minus
so.
the nose.
Well, you're right. You're right.
Minus the notes.
I know.
I'm showing all of America how to demonstrate my education lab today. Would you like to
My
join us?
education
My ed lab, what? I don't know. We got a mahjong game. We got to get.
We got a mahjong game. How's my hair?
It's the best we could do with what God gave you.
Okay, say goodbye to America,
Oh,
ladies.
Bye-bye, America.
Bye, America.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, Linda.
Bye, guys.